How to watch movies on Plex. How to watch movies on Plex. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're a movie lover or just looking up to stream your movie on Plex, you can just follow up the steps that we will be showing on a screen right now. So without any delay, let's just jump right into it. So first thing is, Plex is a media streaming platform that lets you organize and stream your personal collection of movies, TV shows, music, and more. And you can either stream content that you own or explore the Plex free movies and TV shows available through their service. If you want to watch a movie, you can go ahead and add it to your library. For that, go ahead and select up a movie, for example, this one right here. After that, in order to watch a movie, you can just go ahead and search the movie that you are looking for. Otherwise, on your screen, also you will be finding different movies on your Explore page. So you can just go ahead and look out for the movies from here. Otherwise, go to the watch list if you have any watch list. Otherwise, we also have this movies and shows section. You can just go ahead and look it from there as well. And if you have downloaded the movie, you can just also go to the download section right here. So if you really want to watch the movie, you can just go and tap on the movie show and it will automatically start playing on your screen just like that. So that is how you watch a movie on your Plex movie on your Plex app. So if you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more awesome tutorials. And we will see you on the next one.